Hello, my dear students. Today we will start the second part of lesson 2, which is also about science. Today we are going to speak about something called the food chain. What is the meaning of the food chain? The food chain shows how plants and animals get their energy. السلسلة الغذائية توضح كيفية حصول النباتات والحيوانات على الطاقة. As you can see here in this picture, at the start of the chain, we can see plants like the wheat, like the date palm, like trees or any plants. These are called producers. They get energy from the sun. As you can see here, the sun gives energy to the plants, and the plants are called producers. As we said, يعني الشمس تعطي الطاقة للنباتات، لذلك النباتات بتسمى بالكائنات المنتجة. Of course, animals don't get energy from the sun. ولكن بالطبع الحيوانات ما بتاخدش الطاقة بتاعتها من الشمس، ولكن بتاخد الطاقة بتاعتها من ايه؟ They eat plants or other animals to get energy. ولكن الحيوانات بتاخد الطاقة بتاعتها من خلال أكلها للحيوانات الأخرى أو للنباتات. ولذلك إحنا بنسمي الحيوانات كائنات مستهلكة وليست منتجة زي النباتات. مستهلكة means consumer. Okay? So again, food chain shows how plants and animals get their energy. At the beginning, look here, the sun provides energy for plants to grow. بمعنى إن الشمس بتوفر طاقة للنباتات لكي تنمو. Plants and trees are called producers. النباتات والأشجار تسمى الكائنات المنتجة. But animals are called consumer. ولكن الحيوانات بتسمى بالكائنات المستهلكة. We have 3 types of consumers. The first type is primary consumers. المستهلكون الأوليون. مين هم المستهلكون الأوليون؟ هم اللي بيأكلوا النباتات. So the primary consumers eat plants. What about the secondary consumer? The secondary consumer اللي هم المستهلكون الثانويون eat small animals and insects. بيأكلوا الحيوانات الصغيرة والحشرات. Tertiary consumer المستهلكون في المستوى الثالث eat larger animals. They eat larger animals. وبعدين عندنا decomposers اللي هما الفطريات أو الكائنات المحللة gives nutrients back to the ecosystem. بتقوم بإعادة العناصر الغذائية للنظام البيئي مرة أخرى، وهكذا. So let's summarize again the food chain. This is the food chain, and it shows how plants and animals get their energy. At the start of the chain, we can see the plants, and the plants get their energy from the sun to grow, and they are called producers. But the animals called consumers, and these are three kinds of consumers. Primary consumers, like the caterpillar and the beetle, eat plants. Secondary consumer, like the lizard and the snake, eat small animals and insects. Tertiary consumer eat larger animals. And decomposer gives the nutrients back to the ecosystem. Okay. Now let's read this part from the book, and today we are using كتاب الباهر. And it's one of my favorite books. The sun provides energy for plants to grow. توفر الشمس الطاقة للنباتات لكي تنمو. Plants and trees are called producers. النباتات والأشجار تسمى الكائنات المنتجة. Animals are called consumers. والحيوانات تسمى بالكائنات المستهلكة. Primary consumers eat plants. بيأكل المستهلكون الأوليون النباتات. But secondary consumers eat small animals and insects. يأكل المستهلكون الثانويون الحيوانات الصغيرة والحشرات. Tertiary consumers eat larger animals. ويأكل المستهلكون في المستوى الثالث الحيوانات الأكبر. Decomposers الكائنات المحللة give nutrients back to the ecosystem. تقوم بإعادة العناصر الغذائية للنظام البيئي. And this is the definition for the food chain. It's also from الباهر book, page 26. This is called a food chain. وهذه تسمى سلسلة الغذاء. It shows how plants and animals get their energy. وهي توضح كيفية حصول النباتات والحيوانات على الطاقة at the start of. At the start of means في بداية. At the start of the chain في بداية السلسلة الغذائية. We can see plants. طبعا في بداية السلسلة الغذائية لو نتذكر معا بدأت بالنباتات. These are called producers والتي تسمى الكائنات المنتجة. They get energy from the sun. طبعا هم بيحصلوا على الطاقة من الشمس وبيمدونا بالغذاء والأكسجين. Animals don't get their energy from the sun. بالتأكيد إن الحيوانات لا تحصل على الطاقة من الشمس، ولكن animals eat plants or other animals for energy. ولكن of course الحيوانات بتأكل النباتات والحيوانات الأخرى للحصول على الطاقة. درسنا صغير جدا ولطيف جدا وسهل جدا. If you like science you will like this lesson. طيب الإكسرسايز بتاع كتاب المباهر مبني على lesson A و lesson B. نرجع تاني نتفرج على lesson A عشان نتذكر how to plant chickpeas and why they are important ونبدأ نحل الهومورك مع بعض. This is going to be your homework today. Take a screenshot of this page and answer it. Then send it to our Telegram group. هستناكم تجاوبوها وتبعتوها لي على جروبنا على التليجرام. ولو معانا الكتاب الاكتيفيتي دي page 28 نقدر نحلها فيها ونصورها ونبعتها برضو على جروب التليجرام or in the comments. طيب let's answer some of these questions together. Chickpeas are an important what in many recipes? Important? I can hear someone saying the correct answer. Important ingredient. Yes, مكون مهم جدا. Chickpeas belong to fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Yes, belongs to. Someone said it, legumes. Chickpeas are a bad, healthy, unhealthy food. Chickpeas are healthy food. Perfect. We harvest the chickpeas when they are green, brown, blue. Yes, when they are brown. The sun provides energy, oil, water for plants to grow. The sun provides what? Energy, of course, for plants to grow. Plants and trees are called producer, consumer, eater. Yes, I can hear someone saying producer, producer. Perfect. منتجين، كائنات منتجة. Plants get their energy from the moon, soil, sun. Easy. From the sun. Animals are called producer, consumer, or maker. How can you tell me? Perfect. Animals are called consumer, كائنات مستهلكة. Animals get their energy by eating plants, fish, sand. Of course, by eating plants. Secondary consumer eat small or big or larger animals and insects. Secondary consumer eat small animals. Yes, perfect. But tertiary consumer eat big animals. Yes, perfect. Check your answers with me. Then send me your homework on our Telegram group. And if you have any question, just send me your questions and your suggestions here in the comments or in our group. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next session. Bye bye.